Most people don't know that Windows 11 has a hidden power mode that can make your PC run faster. It's called Ultimate Performance Mode, and here's how you can enable it. First of all, go to search and look for Control Panel and open the Control Panel app and go to Power Options. And here you will find different power plans. If you see ultimate power plan here, then you just have to select that. But if you don't see ultimate power plan, then you need to create one. For that, again go to search and look for CMD and run it as admin. Click on the yes option you will see on the screen. Now here you have to just copy and paste this command from video description and hit enter on your keyboard. Now it will create ultimate performance power plan. And if you want to check all other plans available on your PC, just type powercfg then space / list and hit enter, and you will find all other plans available on your PC. Now let's go back to the control panel again and then power options. And you see the ultimate performance plan is now available. You just have to select this power plan to get the maximum performance out of your PC. The ultimate performance mode allows your computer to reduce the power saving delays, keep your CPU running at higher performance level, and it also improves the heavy tasks like video editing, gaming, and programming. And that's all for this quick video, guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next one.